Welcome back to Rome Tech. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. Mobincube offers a powerful and user-friendly platform for crafting sophisticated mobile applications, all without the need for coding expertise. This accessibility empowers individuals and businesses to transform their app ideas into tangible realities, regardless of their technical background. The platform boasts a drag-and-drop interface, streamlining the design process and making it intuitive even for beginners. You can effortlessly incorporate various elements such as images, text, videos, and interactive features, customizing the look and functionality of your app with ease. Mobincube supports the creation of apps for a wide range of purposes, from showcasing products and services to building community forums or delivering educational content. It truly offers a versatile toolkit for bringing your mobile vision to life. Beyond its design capabilities, Mobincube provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing and monetizing your apps. You can integrate features like push notifications to engage users, track app performance with detailed analytics, and even incorporate advertising to generate revenue. This end-to-end approach not only simplifies the development process but also empowers you to effectively control the entire lifecycle of your app. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching a new business or an established organization seeking to enhance your mobile presence, Mobincube offers a compelling solution for creating high-quality, functional, and profitable apps. Its intuitive interface, combined with its robust feature set, makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to enter the world of mobile app development. Explore the possibilities and discover the potential of Mobincube to transform your mobile app aspirations into a successful reality. It's a platform worth checking out.